I'll have a second try with it's been a bit under an hour, so let us see how they look. Not even close to as burned as before, but I'll have to wash them a bit to make them a bit cooler so I can handle them. The bigger potatoes peel quite nicely, the smaller not so, but I'll have to see how they taste. Still raw. Not enough time in the oven. Weirdly enough, the bigger ones are cooked. Yeah, there's fun. It's nice. I don't know why the smaller ones don't cook, but the bigger ones do. But this is quite easy way to make potatoes if you are going to warm the house anyway with the fireplace. It works fine and tastes good.